Hello everyone, I've just received this Most Complete Starter Kit Uno R3 project set from Elegoo. Let's have a look and see what's inside. This is a very complete starter kit to help you start learning how to use Arduino. It's based around the Uno R3 microcontroller, and it comes with dozens of parts and modules. We've got infrared remote controller. We have distance sensing, stepper motors and controllers, joysticks, relays, all kinds of different modules to help you start learning how to program and build projects with Arduino. We're going to base our project around displays. So we're going to use the 16:2 LCD display, and we're going to use the 8x8 LED matrix, and we're going to build an arcade game similar to Pong. So let's get started on our project.